Howdy guys, welcome to another Keep Reet YouTube episode, and today we're in South Australia with the fresh R33 sedan, all painted Millennium Jade, wrapped in some spicy chrome laveries, and we're gonna get out there on track. Now this isn't any track, this is not drifted in a long time, and it's kind of special. It's in the heart of Adelaide CBD. It is called the Australian Motorsport Festival.
Is that a gram? New card. What do you think?
Whoa, very nice. Look at that.
It's very cool, Bateman, but that's nothing. Look at this.
That is really nice.
What do you think? Nice.
The series they normally run here is Adelaide 500. I think Formula One, this is like a part of the Formula One section they used to do. And we get to drift it. So we're here through Drifting SA. They've organised it, and they've got about 14 of us out here, all ready to blaze some tyres. So we're going to see how she goes. It's been a while. She's been sitting around. So hopefully, fingers crossed, the old fingers crossed, everything works mint, and we can just get out there, throw some backies. There's a pretty cool fast entry corner coming off this sort of straight bit here. So yeah, today will just be a bit of driving footage, a bit of in-car. I got Mungie. Hopefully he gets some our car. He's actually here for someone else, Arcton. So I'll be taking advantage of Mungie while he's here. Cheers, Bogger. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoy this vlog. Enjoy this vlog.
Shoot him in the head.
I don't mind the engine bay, it's a little bit dirty. This keep popping off. And I'm over. Oh, cheers, mate. On the tools. Victorians. These tools looks like they've been around, mate.
Fixing RVs, that's right.
Passed down from the dad.
Grandpa.
That's just all the sanding. The one thing we didn't clean. Corey. No, I'ma fix it. bites the dust. Let's see how we go. Bit of heat shielding, kang, biltong, cut the can, cut one of the old joiners as well, slipped it in there, and a new joiner underneath, clamped to the shit house. It's better bloody work. I reckon it's leaking out here or something, but whatever. Fruit tang. Actually, yeah, fruit tang. Oh, about to head out for our first wet session. See how it goes. Didn't change tire pressure because she'll be right. And yeah. Sorry for the lack of updates this weekend. I'm jet lagged and got the family. Can't be bothered. So there you go. And the car's been a dog. So yep. Yeah, boy. open doors or something. It's kind of boring in the wet. See how we go. See who we get paired up with. Miller, Dog and the boys in the last session. But yeah, that's it. It's been good fun. Once again, did F all update, so sorry about that. But hope you enjoyed. Checking out a new circuit that we've never driven before. And yeah, we'll close it out when we get back in the pits. No dramas. We just changed some leads and coil packs, so the car was getting hot and weird and misfiring. So hopefully that fixed it. We've got full power for the final set. But I think the car needs a good little cleanup, a good little mechanical cleanup. Now it's got the body cleaner. We'll see what happens. All right, that's it. Let's get out there.
I want that NSX. I want that NSX.
Typical Stewie.
No, second, no.
Just Stewie, thanks. Stole his dad's car just to ruin it.
Typical Brian.
Your reversing lights don't work.
Buddy Stewie, typical.
Cut.
Is it filming? Yeah, just chuck it on. That's Kang! Where's it going? What are you boys doing? You're fixing Daddy's car again? No. Nah, she worked, mints all sorted. And yes, now it's time to pack up. Good final session, definitely felt like I had more power then. And that was a close call with Scotty boy. But then we pulled off the next one. So stoked to end with that. Hope the footage is any good, and hopefully we get some out-car footage as well from today and put it all together. And yes, that's it. Make sure you like and subscribe, don't you, Daniela? What do you do? What do you do, baby?
Okay.
You say keep it Reet? Alright. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George. I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse. I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats to turn to a ghost. I need to know everything.